Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. It's a Friday. Rinsang. It's a Friday. We have killed it. I'm very happy, very happy. I'm extremely happy. From last week we got 7 out of 10. Yeah. Last week we got 7 out of 10, and then this week our target was 10 out of 10, and unfortunately we lost one trade, so we are on 9 out of 10. So yeah, it's something big, guys. I just wanna, those who have been following me, those who are in my groups, I just wanna tell you something about Nasdaq and German, something that a lot of people are not aware of. Then hence we have a very few people, or in fact, before we even go far, before we can even go further with this discussion, can you guys tell me where you are watching from? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? And by the way, the big fish here, the big fish is talking. The big fish is here to give you guys few tips about German 30 and Nasdaq. And in this fashion, in this style, we are celebrating. In this fashion, in this style, we are celebrating our achievement, which is 9 out of 10 this week on Nasdaq, on both Nasdaq and German 30. It's not easy. It's really not easy. I don't want to lie. It's not easy. Rockville. So wait, but I'm always there. Okay, fine. I think I'm coming next week. Brad's, Northern Cape, Val. I do have a farm in Val, Pretoria, Nelspruit. Okay, Auckland Park, PE. My people from PE. I was supposed to come to PE tomorrow, but hey, I won't make it. Someone else will come there on my behalf. I need to collect some things there tomorrow, but someone else will come on my behalf. Guys, yeah, without wasting any time, let me just start without wasting any time. I was saying last week, I think the week before last week, we got 7 out of 7. We got 7 out of 7, and then last week, 7 out of 10, and then last week again it was 7 out of 10, and this week our target, like I said, was 10 out of 10, but we couldn't get that. We lost one trade yesterday the day before yesterday, on Wednesday. We lost on German 30. So yeah, that's why we got 9 out of 10 this week. So otherwise, without any waste of time, I wanna tell you guys something. You know, those who have been in my group for a very long time, they know there was a point. I'm one person who hate losing. I hate losing with all my heart. Particularly, it's fine. I can lose on trades that I take when I'm alone, trades that I take on my own, but not trades that that I send out signals on. You know, if I send out a signal out there, I want to win on that signal. You know, because people but complain when they lose and all that. So yeah, that is why I always want to win each and every trade that I take, particularly signals that I send out. So the past, let me say 4 weeks ago, it was very bad. It was very bad. Towards, I think it was first week or second week of February. Yeah. It was very bad, guys. Nasdaq and German 30, they were very bad, very manipulative. And you can imagine the strategy, or in fact it was not a strategy, it was a system. The system that we used before to determine the direction. Remember how we trade in the Blue FX, how we trade Nasdaq and German 30. We don't wait for news releases. We predict news releases. We predict to say news releases will come out as positive. So meaning that we actually buy before time. We buy before they release the news. Once they release the news, we are in already. So the system we were using back then, well, it was doing well in October, November, December. It was doing extremely well. December, I think it lost few trades. January, it was doing extremely well. But the first 2 weeks of February, it was a mess. But we realized that actually the market was actually changing the behavior. I still remember this other day, we sent a signal and we lost on that signal. We sent another one, we lost. We sent the other one, we lost on that signal. And someone in the group, in the VIP group said they are actually taking break from trading. That hurt me, that thing hurt me, But as a team, together with my partners, we had to sit down and try to go back to drawing board, check what is it that we are missing, what have changed and all that. And we have realized that the market, German data and Nasdaq, they actually changed behavior. So once the market changes behavior, we really had to come up with another way of trading, whatever that is happening. My style of trading is very simple. I don't care whether the news will come out as positive or negative, but what I care about is that the first movement that will happen, that's where my money is. I want that movement. Be it rejection, I don't care. I want that money. I just want that candlestick. So we had to come up with another way of trading it, and trust me, it's really working well. You wanna see my partners? Hey, Matt, what's over? So yeah, guys, so what I wanna, those of you who are actually fans of Nasdaq and German 30, I just wanna say, even when you lose, man, try to learn from your losses. Trust me, each and every loss that you make, there is a lesson in those losses. You must learn that lesson. You must get that lesson. Find out what is it. Learn something even when you lose. So yeah, and also try to make notes, because the only way you can actually realize or identify or notice that there's a change of behavior on the market is through making notes. So you guys really need to make notes. But otherwise, those who are in my free groups, last of last week, we have decided to open free groups, and this is the second week running those free groups, and people in those free groups are really doing well. So I'm just gonna be very short. So I won't be here for too long. But I've got one question for you guys. Remember, we are celebrating the 9 out of 10. I did this live video, I think, early in January, when I was celebrating 10 out of 10 in a week. So I have one question for you guys. Those who are in the free groups, or those who are in my groups, let's just be general. Those who are in my groups, how much have you made this week? I don't know if others, they will call it bragging or what, but just tell me your comments. I want to see your comments. How much have you made this week? Just this week alone, how much have you made? The question is, those who are in my groups, how much have you made this week with our signals? $15,000. Oh, that's cool. 15,000. Black card 60,000. 5K, 20K. Oh wow, lenala hafal nalo zake baya le nangele nrekele yala mukhosi. Batho ba no tšhelete mon. 10K, 5K, 6K, 15K, 6K, 10K, 20K, 8K, 6K, $265 from 30, okay, 9.6, 12.8, 5,000, 7.2, 10,000, 30K, 4K, 1K. That's great, guys. That's great. 1 million awa awa baronya ka ngeta wa ngeta man Jerida. Yo, you guys are making money, ne? You guys are making money. Anyway, nsendeling iwele the hell in nagebelwe. Hey, alana nalezaga lena. You guys are money. But otherwise, guys, we'll talk. I mean, I believe most of you have realized that I'm no longer active on Instagram. Active, I mean, posting those things. I only post stories. It's simply because, man, I want to do things differently. We all know, we all are aware of the things that are happening in the game. So, me, I just want to do things differently, and I want to be followed by the right people. You know, I just don't want everyone else to follow me because the big fish, this and this and that. I want people to follow me because they know that this is a genuine trade.